Mr. Pepper and friends in concert. Martin, the thing gonna turn right up. It's a Silver Fox Promotions, and this is no fake event. A real straight event. Just see me I say.
It's finally here. Silver Fox annual Christmas special. Saturday the 17th of December at the new venue, Harvey's, 80 Park Street, Luton, LU13EU. Live and direct out of Jamaica, Mr. Pepper. Performing hits like Hypocrite Dark, Let Them Dark, and the UK finest, Higher P, Black Blood, The Real Future, CJ, Naughty, Tenza, Baby Bum, dancers acting up the night, Femilite UK dancers, Glamour T, Jiggy Ross, DJs on the night, Flavor, Nigel B, Bobo El Numero Uno, Passive, Attraction, hard playing and flavor sound, tickets £7, more on the door. For info contact Silver Fox 07947859087, Champion 07933567106. Contact Simone on her BB 27D56290E. It's the annual Christmas special with Mr. Pepper. Be there or be nowhere.
So people out there, remember, it's a Silver Fox annual Christmas special. And this year the thing real special. Because you know, so Mr. Pepper is going to be there, the gangster gorilla, in Luton for the first time. You know, Mr. Luton, that night forget about the killing and the shooting. You don't know. You see it? Just roll out with a queen and leave your machine. All gangster gorilla. Remember, man, a gangster gorilla from we born, we don't take chat. But when they hear hypocrites attack, now them make them sit and talk.